In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Microsoft Planner Plan ID. Let's begin by opening Microsoft Planner and navigating to your plan. In your browser, go to planner.cloud.microsoft and wait for the Planner workspace to load. Once Planner is open, look to the left side of the screen and click My Plans in the left navigation. This will display a list of all the plans you currently have access to. From the plans list, click your preferred plan to open it. In this example, the plan being used is called Plan ID Demo, but you should select whichever plan you want the ID for. Now we'll open the Plan Export menu. Take a look at the plan header at the top of the page, where the plan name is shown. Right next to the plan name, you'll see a three-dot menu. Go ahead and click that menu to reveal the available options. Next, let's export the plan to Excel. In the menu that appears, click Export as Excel. If your version of Planner displays the option as Export Plan to Excel instead, click that option, since it performs the same action. After clicking, Planner will begin generating the file. Wait for the spreadsheet file to finish downloading completely before moving on. Once the download is complete, click the browser's Downloads button, which is located in the top right toolbar of your browser window. From the list of recent downloads, click the downloaded Planner workbook to open it directly in Excel. Now we'll copy the plan ID from the workbook. With the workbook open in Excel, look at the bottom of the screen where the worksheet tabs are displayed. Click the worksheet tab named Plan Name to switch to that sheet. On this sheet, scan through the rows until you find the row or field labeled Plan ID. This is the value we're after. Click the cell directly next to the Plan ID label to select it. With the cell selected, copy the full Plan ID value so that it's saved to your clipboard and ready for reuse wherever you need it. The exported Excel workbook now shows a clearly labeled Plan ID for your Planner plan, and the Plan ID value has been copied. Keep in mind that the plan itself in Planner is unchanged, because exporting only creates a spreadsheet copy of the plan data. Congratulations, you've successfully located and copied your Microsoft Planner Plan ID.